Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine there. As you all know, today's world is totally electronic dependent. We all are connected by the internet like neurons in a giant brain. The internet is becoming the town square for the global village of tomorrow. So in today's topic, we'll just see what is the internet, its uses, and what all things we require for the connection of internet. So let's start with the slides. Now first of all, internet full form. What is a full form? It is international network. Now international network, how will you define it? Internet is a worldwide network in which any individual or group may join by connecting their computers through the telephone lines. Telephone lines के जरिए जब आप connect करते हो, that is the internet. Now network. How will you define network? When two or more computers are connected with each other, they can share or transfer the data between each other. ठीक है? Now, networking में first of all we'll just see local area network. What is local area network? Now this is a computer network that interconnects computers within a limited area such as a residence, school, laboratory or university campus. जब आप limited area में networking करते हो, that is within your school या फिर residence या university campus के within में जब करते हो, that counts as your local area network. ठीक है? Shortly you can just say it as LAN. Next is wide area network. Now wide area network, it spans a large geographic area such as a city, state or country. जब आपकी networking city, state या country में होती है, that becomes your wide area network, right? Now we'll just see the history of internet. Now history of internet may first of all the internet it began during 1960. In 1960 the US Department of Defense they set up an advanced research project agency network and this network was called ARPANET. ठीक है, full form है Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Now later on many universities were allowed to join this network and share the information. Now this was the beginning which grew bigger and gave birth to internet, the technology which has changed our life. Then later on email was created in 1970s. Then after that online shopping was invented in the year 1979. Then the first virus which was sent by ARPANET, it interrupted in the year 1980s. Then the speed of internet, it was developed in the year 1986. Then later in 1990, the first browser for mainstream www was published. ठीक है? Then the internet society became worldwide during 92 and 94. ज़्यादा use होने लग गया. Then in 1999 Wi-Fi was established. Even nowadays you people are making use of Wi-Fi facilities. Let's go to the next slide. Next slide mein we are just going to see the hardware requirements for the internet. Now for the hardware requirements you need a computer, complete computer set. Then you need a telephone connection, right? Then you need one modem, that is modulator demodulator full form. ठीक है? What is the full form of what is the function of modem? Now modem is a transmitting device that helps in understanding analog signals into digital signals and vice versa. ठीक है? जो analog signals को digital में convert करे और vice versa, that comes here, that is called as modem. Then you need ISP services. ISP मीन्स इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर की सर्विसेज चाहिए. जैसे आपके घरों में VSNL की सर्विस है या फिर एयरटेल की है, रिलायंस की है. ठीक है, एनी ISP सर्विसेज यू कैन मेक यूज़ ऑफ फॉर द इंटरनेट. ठीक है. Next is a website. Now what is website? Now website is a collection of web pages where the information about the organization has been stored. आपने किसी चीज़ की इंफॉर्मेशन खोलनी है, यू हैव टू गिव द प्रॉपर URL. यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर में आपने एक एड्रेस भरना होता, ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट्स से यू वांट टू ओपन CBSE site. So you will just give the address www.cbse.nic.in. When you will give this address, your home page of CBSE will get open. ठीक है. Then you can just locate any information जो भी आपने क्लिक करना है वो क्लिक करके like for example if you need the information on skill education, you will just click here. If you want to see any circular, you will just click on the circular and you can get any type of information, right? Then next thing is popular websites. Popular websites जिनसे आप डाटा देख सकते हो, that is hotmail.com, timesofindia.com, google.com, youtube.com and many more. ठीक है. Let's go to the next one. Next, search engines. Now what is a search engine? Now search engine is an information retrieval system designed to help find information stored on a computer system. कोई भी किसी भी तरह की आपने इंफॉर्मेशन देखनी है, what do? You make use of search engines. सबसे पहले आपके माइंड में गूगल आता है, ठीक है. So you just click on Google and you just get the information from there, right? Go on the next one. Now next slide में we are just going to see the names of popular search engines. google.com, जैसे यहाँ से आप डाटा सर्च करवा सकते हो. bing.com, ask.com, yahoo.com, msnsearch.com, youtube.com and there are many more search engines from where you can locate the data, right? Next is web pages. Now what is web pages? Web pages are the electronic pages that you read on the screen. जो electronic pages आप screen पर read करते हो, they are called the web pages. ठीक है. Now web browser. Now without web browser, you won't be able to operate the net. So to operate the net, you need the web browser. What is a web browser? A browser is a software application used to locate, retrieve and display content on the World Wide Web, including web pages, images, video and other files. जब आप अपने कंप्यूटर पर मोज़िला फायरफॉक्स, गूगल क्रोम या माइक्रोसॉफ्ट इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर या एप्पल सफारी, ओपेरा खोलते हो, तभी आप क्या करते हो? यू आर एबल टू ओपन द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ एनी साइट, राइट? नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू सी कि व्हेन यू ओपन द होम पेज ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट Internet Explorer, you just see the page in this form. Now the first line, it is called the title bar line. Then you have the menu bar line, जो file edit view वगैरह लिखा है, that line is called the menu bar line. Then these simple tools, these are called the toolbar line. Then here address bar line where you can just give the address of any website that you want to open. Then this is the status bar line and these are the links that you are opening. So this is the home page of Internet Explorer. ठीक है. Next is hypertext markup language. Short form में you can say it as HTML. Now HTML, this language mostly it is used for designing purpose. ठीक है. कोई भी किसी भी तरह की वेबसाइट डिज़ाइन करनी है, then what you do, you just do the coding in HTML language. ठीक है. So you can define it as HTML consists of standardized codes or tags that are used to define the structure of information on a web page. Okay. Home page is the first page in a website. Whenever you open any website, the first page वहाँ पर खुलता है, that is called the home page. ठीक है. Now next is the web address. Now website address also known as URL, यहाँ पर आप लिखते हो Uniform Resource Locator. It is an internet name that points to a location where a file, directory or website page is hosted. ठीक है. जहाँ पर जिस URL में आप एड्रेस देते हो किसी भी चीज़ को खोलने के लिए, that is called the web address. So this was all about the chapter we have discussed. I hope there is no problem. Everybody stay safe, stay healthy and thank you. Happy learning everybody.